Hey everyone, welcome to the first video of our new playlist Power Automate for Desktop. Whether you are a complete beginner or someone looking to streamline your business processes, you are in the right place. In this playlist, we are going to break down everything you need to know about Power Automate and how to use it to automate repetitive tasks, saving your tons of time and efforts. So what exactly is Power Automate? Power Automate is a cloud-based automation tool developed by Microsoft. It is a part of the Power Platform suite and allows you to create Power workflows that automate tasks and connect different apps and services. Whether you are sending an email, updating spreadsheets, or managing approvals, Power Automate helps make your work smarter and faster. One of the cool things about Power Automate is that it works across a wide range of applications. Think about automating tasks between Office 365, SharePoint, Outlook, Excel, Teams, and the best part, you don't need to be a developer to build these automations. Now, in this playlist, we will be focusing on Power Automate for Desktop. This version lets you create automatic automations directly on your computer using desktop flows. With it, you can record repetitive tasks. So let's clear up one thing. What is the difference between Power Automate and Power Automate for Desktop? Power Automate is more about cloud-based automations where you can connect various online services to automate things across different platforms. But Power Automate for Desktop focuses on automating local tasks on your machine. For example, if you are tired of manually organizing files or copying data between apps on your PC, this is where the desktop version shines. So are you ready to get started with Power Automate for Desktop? Make sure to subscribe.
2,000 years later.
So open any web browser and write office.com. It will redirect you to this website and you can log in here. After login, you can see this type of UI, and in the left navigation pane, you can see this apps. Click on this, and here you can see all the Microsoft apps which we generally in our computer system in day-to-day life. Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Teams, etc. Now scroll down and here you can see this Power Automate. Click on it and it will launch a new URL which is make.powerautomate.com. We have successfully launched our Power Automate cloud version. So if you want to create a new flow, you can just click on create. And from here, you can select that template. Means if you want to create a blank flow. So there are different type of flows. You can select one of the type and you can start creating your flow. First one is automated cloud flow, instant cloud flow, scheduled cloud flow, desktop flow, and process mining. And if you want to use any existing or any built-in template, then you can go to this templates and here you will find a lot of templates and you can pick the template whichever you want to use as per your requirements. Yeah. For example, if we search for Gmail, and here you can see a lot of templates for Gmail. Same Gmail attachment to your Google Drive. Just click on it. So this is the built-in flow. Just you need to use this. Here you can see this flow will connect to Gmail and Google Drive. And here you need to sign in into your Gmail account and into Google account. In your Google Drive account. For example, I want to use my Gmail ID and I want to use my friend's Google Drive ID. I want to save all the attachments of my Gmail into his Google Drive. So I will sign in with my account for Gmail, and for Google Drive, I will sign in with his account. And then we will click on create flow. So this is a very simple process to use the built-in templates. And also if you want to create your own template or your own flow, you can go to create and you can start creating your flows. So we will see all these things later, because in this playlist we are going to cover Power Automate for desktop only. And here you can see this desktop flow. See, automate processes on your desktop environment. So when I will click on it, it will open this type of window. Build a desktop flow, create a desktop flow on your machine. Launch or download Power Automate for desktop to start making desktop flows that use RPA. So we can launch the app or we can download the app. So we will install the Power Automate for desktop in the next video. But first understand what is the difference between Power Apps and Power Automate for desktop. So this is the Power Automate, and in this we have one of the flow type is desktop flow. And for creating a desktop flow, we need Power Automate for desktop. And in upcoming videos, we are going to explore the Power Automate for desktop. We will create a separate playlist on Power Automate as well. We will create different type of power flows and all those things. But as of now, we are going to start Power Automate for desktop tutorials. All right. Thank you guys for watching this video till the end. To let me know if you still have any doubt or any question. And please try to access this office.com or this website on your personal systems. And let me know if you are facing any difficulty.